All right, our fluency. Number 1, find the difference between 81 and 365 thousandths and 12 and 9 tenths. Difference means we are subtracting. So let's line up our decimals because we're subtracting. 81 and 365 minus, line up those decimals, 12 and 9 tenths. We can put placeholder zeros in here. We can put our placeholder zeros in there, and now we can subtract. So 5 minus 0 is going to be 5. 6 minus 0 is 6. 3 minus 9 we can't do, so this 1 becomes a 0. To make this 3 a 13. So 13 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, you get 4. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. I am going to move this down a little bit. 0 minus 2 you can't do, so that 8 becomes a 7. To make that 0 a 10. 10 minus 2 is going to be 8. 7 minus 1 is 6. So our answer here is going to be 68 and 465 thousandths. All right, so let's see here. 68 and 465 thousandths. All right, let's do the next one. We'll go purple. What's the product? Ooh, product means we're multiplying. So when we're multiplying, do I have to line up my decimals? Nope. So I have 184 and 5 tenths times 3 and 2 tenths. Of course, it does happen to line up the way that would line. Ooh, that would line up. All right, let's see. First off, we've got 2 times 5, which is going to be 10. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Now we are done with that 2. We're done with this remainder and this remainder. We're going to put our placeholder of 0. And now we can go from that 3 times 5 is going to be 15. 3 times 4 is going to be 12 plus 1, 13. 3 times 8 is going to be 24 plus 1, 25. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is going to be 5. And then we are going to add them up. All right, so when we add them up here, we've got, let's do this color, 0. 9 plus 5 is going to be 14. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then we've got 5. Don't forget our decimal. So let's see how many spaces that decimal goes in. It goes in 1, in 2. So we're going to go in 1, in 2. So our answer is going to be 590 and 40 hundredths. All right, sum. Last one, sum. That means we're going to add them. And when we add them, we are going to line up our decimals. So 3 and 456 thousandths plus 9 and 81 hundredths plus 65. All right, so let's put some placeholders zeros here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All right, let's add them up. So 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 8 plus 4, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Drop that decimal. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 5 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. 6 plus 1 is 7. So our answer is going to be 78 and 266 thousandths. And that's going to be it for our fluency. Great job.